Good morning. This is Paramita and you are watching my channel Gardening My Choice. This video is in English but not a word to word translation of my Hindi version. But yes, the matter or the content of the video will remain same. It is for those who don't understand Hindi or are more comfortable with English. I hope you will appreciate my work. So let's start the video. This video is on Chrysanthemum, in which I shall explain you about all its growing tips, its potting mix, and also about its secrets of blooming. Once you learn the basics of chrysanthemum, it will not be complicated for you to grow it. So watch the video till the end. Chrysanthemum are flowering herbaceous plant. They are perennial but flower only in winter season and will remain the whole year with you if you take care of it properly. These are very hardy plants and are grown in pots as a border in a garden area. Chrysanthemum is its botanical name. In Hindi, commonly it is known as Sevanti, Guldaudi, or Chandamalika. It belongs to the family of Asteraceae, that is the daisy family, and are native to East Asia and northern Europe. It has countless varieties with many beautiful colors like red, yellow, white, pink, or burgundy. I have this red dove variety, and recently I have purchased two other chrysanthemum of color white and yellow. I consider a little description of plant help to understand the nature of plants. So now let's discuss about its basic requirement, that is air, water, sunlight, and no doubt the soil mix. Number 1, it's an outdoor plant, therefore keep it in every place, not inside the house, otherwise the plant won't survive more than 2 weeks. Number 2, watering. It needs regular watering, but don't make it soggy and avoid collection of water around the stem, therefore be careful while watering. Number 3, sunlight. Sunlight is one of the most important topic, and chrysanthemum is a sun loving plants. Almost all the Asteraceae family members are sun loving plants, therefore they need at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. If you will not keep it under sunlight, it will not flowering properly, rather it will grow leggy and the stem will become weak. So keep it under sunlight at least for 5 to 6 hours. Number 4 is the pot size. What should be the pot size for growing chrysanthemum? Then I would recommend that at least 10-inch pot is the best, as it's a standard size. But if you want to grow it in 6-inch pot, then you can grow it in that also, but not too small, because plants root need space for proper growth. Hence in a small space the roots will not develop properly, and therefore the development of plant will also not take properly. Number 5 is the most important point, that is what should be the potting mix for a grown chrysanthemum plant. Chrysanthemum grow best in organic soil, and the soil should be well drained, as winter plant don't need too much water. Therefore for the potting mix you have to take 40% of garden soil, 30% of compost, that is you can take any vermicompost or cow dung compost, but cow dung compost should be well decomposed, 10% of sand, 10% of rice husk, and the rest is the super organic mix, which you can prepare by adding 10 gram of mustard cake, 25 gram of neem cake, and 3 teaspoon of bone meal. Here I am not adding any kind of chemical fertilizer, because they grown best in organic fertilizer and I promote it. Next is fertilizer. The best fertilizer for it is the mustard cake liquid fertilizer, and that you can prepare very easily. For that you need to take 50 gram of mustard cake and have to dissolve in 1 liter of water. For this you need a earthen pot also, in which you will dissolve it and ferment for 6 to 7 days in winter season, and then dilute it 10 times. That means dissolve that solution into 10 liter of water and mix it properly, and then give 100 to 100 ml as per pot. Now the next topic is, the next point is secret of flowering in chrysanthemum, for which we were waiting for long. That is the pinching. Pinching means removing the stem above the second set of leaves. This is a simple practice that ensures most abundant flowering. Pinch new growth on all shoots from July onwards till November or October. That will lead to many new branches, which result into lot of buds and lead to many flowers. Second is, and one more thing is, we will, when to stop pinching, that is when you see the buds are started forming, at that time you will have to stop, and this time comes in the beginning of November or end of October. And the second point is the removing deadheadings. Deadheadings is another important point for secrets of flowering, so that the energy of plant goes in making flower, in making more flower buds, and the reason for getting more flower is the removal of deadheadings, so that the energy of plant goes in making more flower buds. Seventh point is propagation. How to propagate chrysanthemum. Once you bring a plant in your home, then you can prepare a number of plants from the same single mother plant. So this can be done either through root sucker or stem cutting taken from the mother plant, and this you have to start before the rainy season. Now we have covered almost all the important points, and now at last the precautions, that what precautions you should take while growing chrysanthemum. Protect, number one is protect them from unseasonal rain. Second is don't fertilize the plant after formation of buds, and the last one is pick off discolored leaves as it cause fungus. And so for that you can spray every week the fungicide, antifungal fungicide, the SAF. Take 2 gram per liter and mix it well, and then spray it. And therefore, in this way, you can keep your plants away from all sorts of fungal diseases. At last, thank you very much for giving your precious time. If you find this video informative, then like and share the video. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon, so my upcoming videos reach you at time. Thank you very much.